Welcome to HVAC Startup Technicians, guys, and today I want to talk about your sequence of operation. I want to talk about why you have to know, especially when we're on a gas furnace, what's the sequence of operation, what should happen next. That way, if there is a problem, we will know how to fix that problem. So right now we are on a train and we're about to start it up. So as you know, I have the power off, always have the power off when you're servicing a unit first before you jump. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna turn this on. And then we have the test kit. I have did many videos with that, so I wouldn't talk much about it, but I'll just show you how we get it to start up. So I will put my lead on test 1 and test 2, and I'm just using a regular pliers. So what should happen is our fan should come on. You see our fan come on. We're gonna let it run for a couple seconds, maybe about 5 to 10 seconds. So we're gonna take this off. Our fan is running. Now we're gonna go back again and our compressor should kick in. Let's see. We should hear that click coming on in a minute. And there we go. Our compressor is gonna come on. We'll let it run for a little bit again before I put my lead back on. And once I put my lead back on, my inducer should kick in. So let's see. Let's go back again. So let's get ready. And we're gonna jump this again. And here my inducer kicked in right now. And that is step 1 in our sequence of operation. Step 2 is our pressure switch and our safety is going to close. Step 3, we're going to get our flame rectifier or flame, not sensor, but our igniter will glow. It will be hard to see, and then our burners will start to light. So now we have the burners light. And then, guys, this is the sequence of operation. It's really important to know what should happen. So what should happen on this, just to recap, inducer kicking, a safety check, our pressure switch, which is this, will close, then our igniter will light, and then our burners will come on, and the last thing that will come on is our fan should be running. See, so we have our fan is also running. So, okay guys, thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment, and if you are already one of my subscribers, I appreciate you guys so much. Alright guys, see you on our next video.